curried tomato beetroot coconut stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beetroot recipes and one of the most different of the coconut recipes and one of the most nutritious of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make tomato beetroot coconut stew. The ingredients are 100 grams of beetroot cut into pieces, 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, around 12 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces. And 100 grams of grated coconut. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the onion pieces. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the shallots. Salt. Add the shallots. Add a little bit of the mixture. Start. Start until the shallots somewhat lose their pinkish color. Now put in the ginger, salt the ginger to the shallots and the onion. Salt it and blend the garlic together. Now put in the beetroot pieces. Salt. Salt the beetroot pieces and the rest of the mixture. Now put in the grated coconut. That way salt and mix. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix the salt. Now take out the flame and let the mixture cool. Now take the mixture into the grinder. And grind well after adding around 10 to 20 ml of water. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Salt the tomato pieces in the oil thoroughly. pour in the ground beetroot mixture. Ground beetroot coconut mixture. Thoroughly mix. Pour in 150 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. And let this mixture cook for 3 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the tomato beetroot coconut stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final tomato beetroot coconut stew or curried tomato beetroot coconut stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the dinner recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most different of the beetroot recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.